How to check if iPhone is blacklisted on iOS 26. You need to check this before you buy a used iPhone to be sure that you're not going to buy an iPhone that is blacklisted or a stolen iPhone. So doing so is super easy. Go to the settings button and tap on it. Scroll to general and tap on general. From here, tap on about. Now from the list of options here, scroll down until you get to this place where you see IMEI button. Tap on it for a few seconds. Tap on copy. Now go to any browser of your choice. Now once you get to any browser of your choice, go ahead and tap on this word IMEI blacklist check. Tap on the first one. Once tap on the first one, just wait for this page to load up. Now paste the IMEI number you copy into this place. Now tap on check. Then tap on this button to prove you are not a robot rather than a human. So you have to complete this captcha. So you see this option that says blacklist status clean. So guys, that's the tip process guys on how to check if an iPhone is blacklisted or is a stolen iPhone. If you enjoyed this tip and if you not subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this.